everyone, welcome to today's session. More than morning sickness, hyperemesis gravidarum is a life threatening illness for both mother and baby. Be educated and informed. Today I am going to discuss regarding hyperemesis gravidarum. What is hyperemesis gravidarum? Hyperemesis gravidarum is an extreme form of morning sickness that causes severe nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. Morning sickness versus hyperemesis gravidarum. Morning sickness means it typically includes nausea that's sometimes accompanied by vomiting. These two symptoms usually disappear after 12 to 14 weeks. The vomiting doesn't cause any severe dehydration. Hyperemesis gravidarum is typically include nausea that does not go away and severe vomiting is there. This may lead to severe dehydration and this doesn't allow you to keep any food or fluids down. What are the symptoms of hyperemesis gravidarum? Some of the most common symptoms of hyperemesis gravidarum are feeling nearly constant nausea, loss of appetite, vomiting more than 3 or 4 times per day, becoming dehydrated, feeling lightheaded or dizzy, losing more than 10 pounds or 5% of your body weight due to nausea or vomiting. What causes hyperemesis gravidarum? Morning sickness and hyperemesis gravidarum seems to have a connection to human chorionic gonadotropin. This is a hormone created during pregnancy by your placenta. Your body produces a large amount of this hormone at a rapid rate early in pregnancy. These levels can continue to rise throughout your pregnancy time. Who are at the risk for hyperemesis gravidarum? Some factors that could increase your risk for getting hyperemesis gravidarum, which include having a history of hyperemesis gravidarum in your family, being pregnant with more than one baby, being overweight, being a first-time mother. Tropoblastic disease can also cause hyperemesis gravidarum. Tropoblastic disease occurs when there is an abnormal growth of cells inside your uterus. How is hyperemesis gravidarum diagnosed? Through physical examination, blood and urine samples may also be necessary to check for signs of dehydration, and ultrasound might be necessary to find out if you are pregnant with twins or if there are any problems. How is hyperemesis gravidarum treated? Severe cases of hyperemesis gravidarum may require hospitalization. The most commonly used anti-nausea drugs are promethazine and meclizine. You can receive either through an IV or as a suppository. Home remedies. Your doctor may recommend natural nausea prevention methods such as vitamin B6 or ginger. Try eating smaller, more frequent meals and dry foods such as crackers. Drink plenty of fluids to stay hydrated. Thank you. Have a nice day.